and he stopped and wait.
Stop and wait for what?
I don't think anything particularly. He was just on the phone.
Was he saying something on the phone?
No, like he was on an app, like Twitter or something, just scrolling.
What happens after that?
We go back to the Airbnb.
When you get back to the Airbnb, is anyone there?
Yes,
Who's at the Airbnb?
it was the other guys was there downstairs.
And did you go inside the Airbnb?
Yeah, I did.
And when you went inside, what did you see them doing?
I mean, they were just sitting around. One was on the couch, one was sitting at the dinner table, I think. And they were just sitting there, looked tired. They would stink. I just went upstairs.
All right. Did you see any guns when you went inside?
No, I didn't.
Did you see any rifles at all, anything?
No.
They got to the house before you?
Yeah.
When you went upstairs, what did you do?
I changed, got back in the bed.
And what happened after that? Did you go to sleep?
Yeah.
In the morning, I assume you woke up.
Yeah.
And what happened when you woke up?
Well, he wasn't right there, so I texted him. I told him I was hungry. What happened? I know we ended up arguing about something. It was kind of petty, though. I just wanted food, and he takes so long to get me what I wanted. So I was just waiting there, and I took a shower. Then eventually he come in there, he shows me outfits, what he want to put on today. And then that was pretty much it.
At some point during that day, did you all leave the Airbnb?
Yes.
All right. Where did you go?
Back to Jacksonville.
Was it your decision to go back home?
I mean, no, but I didn't mind. I was ready to go anyways.
Why?
I'm there with other people I don't know. It wasn't a trip that I thought it was going to be, so I was ready to go.
Did you take an Uber back?
Yes,
And whose idea was that?
Isaiah.
Why did you not take the Impala back?
I mean, I don't know. I didn't ask him. He made the decision to go on Uber.
Did Sean Gathright, the one who was driving the Impala, did he leave before or after you? Do you remember?
I think he was after.
Did he offer a ride to go back to Jacksonville in the Impala?
No, I remember him saying he had somewhere to go.
When you get in the, well, let me ask you this. There's a pink bag that the state's referencing, seeing you walk
Yes.
out of the Airbnb with it. You remember that?
Yes,
Whose pink bag is that?
Isaiah's.
And why does he have a pink bag?
I mean, it's his mom's bag. He just had clothes in it, though.
And were there any rifles in that bag?
No, it was just clothes.
You've seen the rifles that have been in this trial.
Yeah, I seen it.
Can those rifles fit in that pink bag?
No,
And the bag itself, was it heavy?
no.
What was inside the bag?
It was his clothes.
Did you look in any of the bags, any of the other bags that were there?
No, I never even seen those bags in the Airbnb. Unless when I was upstairs, they could have brought it in, but I didn't see them when I was down there.
When you get in the Airbnb to go home, what are you doing?
Just in the back seat, listening to music.
All right. Are you talking to the Uber driver?
We exchanged a few words, but nothing much.
At any point in time, do you tell the Uber driver to slow down?
No,
Are you worried about the Uber driver speeding?
no,
Do you have any guns on you?
no,
Did you commit any crimes?
no.
You get back to Jacksonville that day,
Yeah.
and what happens next?
We get out the car. I just get in his car, and then he drops the guy that was in the back, Rashad. He dropped him back off to the place he was at.
All right. Did the Uber driver help you all with your bags?
Yeah.
That day, the day after you went to these nightclubs, did you go on social media at all?
I went on there, but wasn't doing nothing.
All right. When you say you weren't doing it, what do you mean by that?
I wasn't making any posts.
Okay. Yeah, so that's not what I'm asking. I'm asking just if you went on social media.
Yeah, I did.
Did you see anything on social media?
Yeah, TikToks. I was on Instagram.
All right. And did you see that Charles Jones, Julio Fulio, had died?
Yes, on TikTok.
And what did you see, if you can remember?
I think people were outside recording, like the hotel.
All right. Did you recognize the hotel?
Yeah.
And when you saw that on your social media, what did you think?
I mean, I was confused. I'm like, that's probably what I heard, but
All right. And did you ask Isaiah about it?
not necessarily asked him, but I showed him the video.
And what happened?
He was like, dang, and who page was it on?
Did he at that point tell you anything about him being involved in anything?
No, he didn't.
Did you think it was strange that you were in that area?
Yeah.
At a certain point in time, do you think that the individuals who were there, who were at the Airbnb, that they had anything to do with this?
I mean, at that time, I mean, I could say they were being weird, but I didn't think they were I don't know them personally to say, oh, they're a killer. Like, I don't know.
And when you say they were being weird, what do you mean by that?
Like, I remember I walked downstairs to get some ice. It's like everybody stopped talking. So I'm like, I didn't know what for.
At some point, do the police come to talk to you?
Yeah.
And when the police come to talk to you, what do they come to talk to you about?
He asked me like what I did that weekend. Was I in Tampa?
So they're questioning you about the shooting?
Yes.
The first time you talked to the police, is it in the interrogation video?
Yes.
This is Exhibit 59. I'm going to publish to the jury. Is that you in the interrogation room?
Yes.
All right. And what do you have on?
Blue jacket, some Adidas, and I believe Crocs.
Can you back it up just a little bit? That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. You can click. Do you recognize the two individuals?
Yeah.
so you can see this. Just different device. Judge, the sound is not working on any device, so I'm unaware of what's going on. So I'm trying to fix it.
Okay.
You understand that? You may use any of these rights at any time, before or during questioning, and you may just so you know, again, like you said, you want to see some stuff and you want to answer some stuff, you
Is there a question?
There's about to be one. I'm about to ask you a question. So, Alicia Andrews, we're watching this video. I want you to tell me what you hear from Detective Ramos.
can answer. If you don't want to answer some stuff, you don't have to answer. You're
What did Detective Ramos just tell you?
He said I can answer if I want to answer. If I don't want to answer, I don't have to answer.
This is, you are in charge of what happens to you in your future starting right now, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand that? You have the, anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand that? You have the right to consult with an attorney before you make a statement or answer any question, and the right to have an attorney present during questioning. Do you understand that? If you want an attorney but cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before or during questioning free of charge. Do you understand that? You may use any of these rights at any time, before or during questioning, and you may stop this interview at any time. Do you understand that? Do you understand all the rights that I've just read you? So you understand at any time. It's up to you.
Mr. Andrews, had you ever had your rights read to you before?
That would have been the first time.
And
Okay?
when he's reading the rights to you, are you paying attention to him?
Sort of.
I want to show you a video here. Do you have any questions about your rights before I show you this video?
Do you remember him asking you any questions about any facts prior to showing you the video?
No.
Want to know more about you? Like, a lot more? Join the millions of
Is that you in the footage?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell?
Does he have to beat that out of you?
No.
Objection, Your Honor. I'm going to sustain the objection.
Going on here?
Wait, I'm not opening the door.
Okay, where are you at in this video?
I see him.
Do you remember what town you were in?
Yes.
Okay.
Was it difficult for you to tell him that you were in Tampa?
No.
Can you tell us what you're doing down in Tampa that we can usually be honest?
Just
Just
I had to wait for Orlando 2 months before that, so he asked if I wanted to go somewhere.
Who's he?
It's my boyfriend.
Got him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why are you calling me?
Well, what do you call him?
Zane.
Zay?
When the detective called Isaiah Chance gutter and you laughed, why did you laugh?
I mean, I thought it was weird. Like,
What?
they're detectives. I thought they were going to at least use his real name.
Were you trying to say that you didn't know who Gutter was?
No.
In fact, did you tell them that your boyfriend was Gutter?
Yeah.
So does he go back? You don't call? You never call him Gutter? Never.
That's not like the parents.
All right, Zay, you can call him Zay, if that's what you know him about.
Who all went down in Tampa with you?
When you told the detective that you don't know the people, is that true?
Yeah.
Do you know, or did you know Davion Murphy?
No.
I mean, today, do you know Davion Murphy?
Yeah, now.
All right. Do you know, or did you know at the time, Rashad Murphy
No.
and Sean Gathright? What communications or contacts had you had with Sean Gathright at the time?
None at that time. I just told him I met him maybe one time.
Okay. You're saying none at that time, then you said you just met him one time. So I just want the jury to be clear. At this time of this interview, how many times had you met Sean Gathright before?
That would be 2, including Tampa, so that would be the second time.
Okay. The first time you met Sean Gathright, what was that at? Where was that at?
His house.
All right. And was he the only one there?
It was him and the other people I didn't know, but I think it was some of his family members.
All right. Was it a gathering
Yes.
with multiple people at the house?
Yeah.
And what did you do at the house?
I walked in, and Zay introduced me to them. He was like, this is my second family. He was like, what do you want to eat? So he fixed me a plate.
All right.
I don't remember that time. It was long.
Do you remember meeting Sean Gathride's mother there?
No, I don't remember that.
Do you remember if she was even there?
No, it was a lot of people.
All right. Do you, if you were to call out the people that were there, would you recognize them?
No.
All right. Hold on. While you're inside this interrogation room, do you feel any pressure?
Not in the beginning, but later on, yeah.
Why?
I mean, he was talking over me and yelling, and I felt like I was just closed in by two men.
The detective, was he cursing at you?
Yeah,
In your view, was he threatening you?
yeah.
What types of threats did he make to you?
He said I was never going to see my baby. I was going to spend life in prison. He said you were never going to get to go out again, do your nails, your hair, something like that. He said a lot of stuff.
All right. When they asked you about other individuals like Davion Murphy or Rashad Murphy, at that point in time, did you feel comfortable talking about these individuals?
No,
Why not?
I mean, I don't really know them, so I didn't want to talk about them.
Did you tell the detective that you were the one inside of the cruise
Yeah,
at McDonald's?
yeah, I did.
Did you tell him that you went to clubs?
Yeah,
You told him that before he showed you any video of a club?
I think so, I did.
You also pointed out Isaiah Chance as being in the car at the McDonald's, right?
Yeah,
Did the detective know that Isaiah Chance was in the car at the McDonald's?
no,
But you gave him that information?
yeah.
Getting an Instagram message to somebody to rent an Airbnb for you guys down here?
All right. What did Detective Campbell just ask you?
Did I DM a girl on Instagram?
When he asked you that question, did you remember what he was referencing immediately?
No,
You don't? You did, when you sent a message from your phone.
Oh, I know something.
Yeah, what happened?
Yeah, she do like have whenever you do it.
She does what?
She does have like you can bring something to her for price.
Okay. Who did you send a message to? Do you remember?
I don't know her name. It's a light skinned girl. Like she do promos. She posts on Instagram.
Okay. Did she end up booking the Airbnb that you guys stayed at? Do you know
She
who booked
said
it?
no, text back.
Do you know who booked the Airbnb that you guys stayed at?
I just asked, and one of like was still going.
Was the guy who was driving the cruise while you were at McDonald's, okay, who you hadn't met before, was he at the Airbnb when you guys left the Airbnb? You don't know?
Like I'm a good person. Like I'm really got me going. Like her.
When you say that you left first, are you referring to when you left to go back to Jacksonville?
wait. I gotta hear what it said again. I'm sorry. I gotta hear what it said again.
you when you guys left the Airbnb? Was the guy who was driving the cruise while you were at McDonald's, okay, who you hadn't met before, was he at the Airbnb when you guys left the Airbnb? You don't know?
I was there first. Like when you got the car.
When you're making that statement, are you referring to after, like when you all are leaving the Airbnb to go back to Jacksonville?
I think I was.
The person that he's mentioning, he says the one that's in the driver's seat at McDonald's, you know that person to be Davion?
Yeah, now.
All right. And did Davion ride back with you?
No.
Or just
Where did you go back?
24 flat.
Well, it can't be you and Ab because you're the only one that goes in the front door. Nobody else comes in that front. Were you there by yourself at your Airbnb? Well, it can't be you and Ab because you're the only one that goes in the front door. Nobody else comes in that front.
That's fine.
Because they don't come in at the same time.
Was there some confusion about you letting people in the back door of the Airbnb?
Yeah.
Did the detectives believe that you let people inside the back of the Airbnb?
Yeah, that's what he thought.
And he thought that you were doing that to conceal their identity?
Yeah.
How did they get in?
Yeah, but this camera goes off every time somebody passes it, and in order to get in, you have to put in a code, and that code gets tracked on the app. I spoke to the owner of the Airbnb. Nobody else went in. How did they get in?
I'm not sure.
Did you let them in another door?
Is it possible you could have opened the back door?
No. No, I did
Were you
not.
there by yourself at your Airbnb? Well, it can't be you and Ab because you're the only one that goes in the front door. Nobody else comes in that front. Every single person that comes in that front door and uses that code. When you guys went out to McDonald's, did you go out the front door? You don't know? Or did you go out the back door? Which door did you go out?
I'm not sure. Sorry.
Do you understand what I'm talking about? That you're the only one that went in the front door? Nobody else went in that front door? So how did Zay get inside if you were the only one in the front door?
I did not.
Huh?
I don't know. I did not.
No, I understand how you got in the front door.
Yeah.
How did anybody else get in? Because nobody else is on camera.
Anybody else?
Zay was with you, he stayed there,
That's
right?
it.
He didn't go in the front door.
I don't know. I did not.
Zay didn't go in the front door.
When he's asking you the question repeatedly, you understand what he's asking you.
Yeah.
Is he accepting what you're saying?
No.
I'm not sure.
When he does not accept what you're saying, do you get frustrated with him?
Yeah.
Are you showing that frustration?
No, I'm kind of doing like
I'm
a,
going to sustain. Don't lead the witness. Ask the next, rephrase your question.
Are you showing the frustration?
no, I'm just doing a nervous laugh.
What do you mean?
Was he inside with you?
Yes, of course. I'm getting on myself.
Okay, but he didn't go in the front door.
Well, I don't know. And don't ask him that 'cause I don't know.
Why did you say, did y'all ask him that? Who is him?
Isaiah.
Why did you say that?
Because I mean, it's about him. Like, go ask him.
I'm going in and put my stuff down.
Okay. Now, I want one honesty from you. You ready for my one honesty?
Are they back at this issue with the Airbnb door?
Yeah.
Did you open the back door to let other people in the Airbnb? That's an easy question. Then how did they get in the Airbnb? Because they did not go in the front door.
What they gotta do with me?
No, it's asking you for one honesty.
All I did was walk up and knock. Did you see me tap anything in? So what they gotta do with
You
me?
opened up the front door and you got it.
I didn't open nothing.
You didn't open up the front door of that place?
No.
How did you get in?
I was seeing was open.
Nobody else went to the front door by you. I'm just asking one thing that I know is 100% truthful. And you can't answer that.
He has to give you the code over there.
Was it 100% truthful that you went through the back door, that you let people in through the back door?
No.
That ring, it's actually just audio of that. You have to get the code to get in. He gave you the code. Oh, it's audio recorded. It's on
You
I
didn't
don't
do
have the code.
The guy gave you
Like,
the
y'all put it to me,
code.
I'm about to go. I don't have
Did you hear Detective Campbell say that the guy gave you the code to go in?
Yeah, he did.
Is that accurate?
No.
the code.
It's on audio.
Okay, go back and listen. What code did you hear me say?
I can tell you this. How many women do
I
you
didn't
know?
have the
Hey,
Airbnb out.
how many women do you know that have been to prison?
I don't know.
Go to 38 flat. Or you could just let it go. I didn't realize it was so close. Just let it go.
Did you know any woman that's been to prison? You should know that. I can tell you this, you're young and you're small. And where you are likely to end up without the truth, without a truthful statement right now, is a horrible place.
I gave you the truth.
No, you have not.
I have, whether you believe it or not.
Let me ask you something. Do you think I'm probably good at my job or probably bad at my job?
I don't know, I don't know you.
What was your response?
I said, I don't know. I don't know you.
So, when you say that you don't know him, does that mean you don't see him in front of you?
No.
What does it mean when you say you don't know him?
I don't know him personally.
Is that the same sort of response you gave about whether you know Davion and Rashad Murphy?
Yeah.
All right. There were some things during this interrogation that you said that were not accurate, were not truthful. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. What were those things generally about?
I mean, everything I didn't answer was about them.
Who's them?
The other co-defendants.
All right. Did you have any concerns for your safety at this time that if you said something about another individual, it could come back on you?
Yeah.
Did any of the detectives at any point in time, whether it be on this video or otherwise, did they tell you that they would make sure that you were safe from anyone?
No, they didn't.
Obviously, were your parents present?
No.
Was anyone there to assist you?
No.
At the time of this interview, do you know where Isaiah Chance was at?
No.
Do you know whether if he got pulled in by the officers at the same time?
No.
This ain't no shit you get to walk away from. The problem is you can't even say that you heard it all. You just weren't, it's in the passenger seat, aim for the passenger seat. You talking to two grown men moving in the streets, you know? Like how, does that make sense to you? Does that make sense to you? If somebody told you I'm in a car with somebody, and he talking on the phone the whole time, I ain't hear nothing, you know what he said? That makes sense to you? How does that make sense? I'm here I am. I'm right here. Come on, here's the second house. Go on. Hey, he just pulled up to the hotel. No. Drive around one more time. Hey, park real quick. He's in the passenger seat. Aim for the passenger seat. Are you hearing that?
First of all, was Isaiah Chance saying anything like that to you?
No.
Was he saying anything like that on the phone?
No.
Is that just the officer's assumption about what was happening?
Yeah.
When the officer here gets in your face, what do you feel?
Aggravated?
Are you hearing me say that? You didn't hear me say that?
What did you tell him?
I said, no, I'm kind of zoned out.
It's a game to you. It's a game to you. And it's sad, man. And it's sad because this isn't a game. This is real life. It's happening right now. This is real life. This ain't no TV shit. This ain't no shit you get to walk away from. The problem is you can't even say that you heard it all. You just weren't part of it. You can't even say that to us.
When the officers asked if you went down to Tampa with anyone other than Isaiah Chance, did you tell them that you went with his little brother?
Yeah.
All right. And at the time, did you know his name?
No.
Did they show you a photograph of the little brother?
Yeah, they did.
Did the photograph look like him initially?
No, not at first.
Why not?
I mean, I remember him having bushy hair, and he showed me a whole different picture, so I said no.
And you drove down with this individual, Sean Gathright, from Jacksonville to Tampa?
Yeah.
All right. Were you staring at his face the entire time you were driving down?
No.
Where were you at?
In the back seat?
And were you trying to look at his face while you were driving down?
Not really.
When you got to the Airbnb, did you and him hang out inside the Airbnb face to face?
No.
Did he go to McDonald's with you?
No.
Were you at Teasers with Sean Gathright at any point in time?
No.
And Sean Gathright, did he ride back to Jacksonville with you?
No.
Do you believe if you told the officers, these detectives here, if you told them what they wanted to hear, do you think they would have let you out?
No.
All right, Miss Andrews. Are you still in a relationship with Isaiah Chance?
I mean, he may think that. I never broke up with him.
When you say he may think that, what do you mean by that?
Like, we just got arrested. Nobody broke up with each other. None of that.
All right. Are you personally in a relationship with Isaiah Chance?
No.
I don't have any other questions.
Okay, very good. Members of the jury, it's noon. We're going to go ahead and take a lunch recess, okay? Is 45 minutes good enough for you guys? Okay, 45 minutes it is, all right? So be back here at 12:45, and we will continue the trial, all right? Thank you.
All right.
Enter the all-new Universal Horror Unleashed, where horror comes to play.
With ComEd's Business Energy Analyzer, it's never been easier to identify energy savings opportunities for your
Welcome to Black Robe Chronicles, where we take a closer look at courtrooms across America, the cases, and the people. Like, share, subscribe. All rise.